Greetings YouTube, Allied Unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. Today is indeed still Monday, March 23rd, 2020. And in this episode, we're going to take you guys back over to BumbleBee Junction. We took you guys suggestions in our the comment section from our video yesterday on BumbleBee Junction and relocating BumbleBee Junction here in our garden. We asked you guys what you thought that we should plant here at BumbleBee Junction. You guys gave us some great suggestions, and it just so happened that we happen to have most of the suggestions, seeds for the most of the suggestions that you recommended that we plant here at BumbleBee Junction. We went ahead and prepared our garden beds over there. We got them filled with soil. You guys know that hugelkultur is our preferred method of gardening. That's what we did over there at BumbleBee Junction. We put our organics down in the bottom, topped it off with our potting soil. We're going to show you guys what that looks like right now, and also show you guys what we're going to plant in each section of BumbleBee Junction right here, right now. Hang tight, YouTube. Yeah. BumbleBee Junction, right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. Grow Zone 8B, right here in Tifton, Georgia. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam. We got each of the 4 sections of our planters at BumbleBee Junction filled with a blend of our favorite potting soil, cow manure, and composted cow manure and garden soil. In this first planter, we're going to plant some. You guys see that? Swiss Chard. It's a mixed color variety of Swiss Chard. We thought we would plant that here in this first section of BumbleBee Junction. On to the second section of BumbleBee Junction, we had some Iceberg lettuce seeds here that we thought we would plant in this second section of BumbleBee Junction. On to the next section, we had some spinach, space hybrid spinach, great as baby spinach. We're going to plant that here in the third section of our planter here at BumbleBee Junction. And in our fourth section of BumbleBee Junction, we're going to plant indeed our arugula. It did quite well over there at Sweet Baby Red here during the fall and winter season. We thought we would try that our hands at it again over here at BumbleBee Junction this season. I'm going to stand back right quick and give you guys a quick look at the seed packets over there in BumbleBee Junction. Again, our Swiss Chard in the first section, our Iceberg lettuce in the second section, our spinach in the third section, and last but not least, our arugula in the fourth section. We're going to go ahead and get these seeds in the ground right now. We're going to come back as we plant these seeds, show you how we space them out, how far apart we space our rows, and how far apart we space our seeds in each planter for each different type of seed. We'll bring you back for those steps in a few seconds. Hang tight, YouTube. All right, YouTube, indeed, we're back. We have our Swiss Chard seeds laid in all of our rows. You can see they stand out quite well against the darker soil. We have our Iceberg lettuce seeds in place. They're tiny. We drop several seeds per spot here in every row. You guys can see that. If they do all germinate, we just come back and thin them out as necessary. Our spinach. Got our spinach seeds in place. Again, we're planting everything that we're planting here today, all of our green leafy vegetables. We're planting them at the same depth of about a ½ inch deep. Last but not least, we have our arugula. The seeds are very, very tiny, but they're those orange little dots you see down there in the soil. Those are our arugula seeds. We sowed these kind of heavy. Again, we'll come back and thin these out as necessary if they all indeed do happen to germinate. We're simply going to come back now, give our seeds a light dusting of soil, come back, water them in, and we'll give you guys a quick look at what it looks like with all of our seeds covered up and the beds watered in. Hang tight, YouTube. All right, YouTube, we're back right here at BumbleBee Junction. We have all of our seeds planted. I'm going to give you guys a quick look at what our garden beds look like right here at BumbleBee Junction with all of our seeds planted. If you recall from the previous clip of this video, we have our mixed colored Swiss Chard here in this first planter. We have our Iceberg lettuce planted here in this second planter. We have our spinach planted here in this third planter. And we have our arugula planted here in this fourth planter. We will indeed bring you guys back within the next 7 to 14 days or the first sign of seed germination in any of these garden beds and let you see what it looks like at that point. Thanks for watching, and if indeed you currently are watching this video and you're not currently already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening channel, Please take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Thanks. We really, really, really would appreciate it. Yeah. Growing Swiss chard, iceberg lettuce, spinach, and arugula right here at BumbleBee Junction, Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia at the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel. Thanks for watching.